Hello, fashion lovers, and welcome to my YouTube channel Stylista Moda. If you find my channel interesting and informative, please subscribe my channel, like the videos, and please leave the comments in the comment box regarding each and every video, your views and your feedbacks. Our today's topic is tilted figure on y-axis. In previous class, we have learned about the tilted figure x-axis. Now we are learning y-axis. Y-axis, that means all the vertical lines, and it can be tilt at many positions. First we'll be having about two positions, that is at first at the neck. So you can tilt this figure at neck. What we'll do, we'll just mark a line apart from the center line from the neck or point, like this. Now this is our center line, the new one, and we have to weave figure on this particular line. For head, same 3/4 inches. And we'll join this and create the shape of head like this. Mark shoulder you can create straight, or it may be little bit tilted on x-axis, it's up to you. This neckline will be parallel to the center line. Now you can weave the figure according to simple block figure. It may be tilted at x-axis or maybe the simple, as what your choice. Waist block, hip block, leg position as per your choice. How you know to draw the leg position? If you have not followed my previous videos, you see the video of day 7 where we have described the leg positions in posture figure. Now you may create the hands, arms, while creating the arms and legs. Please consider that both should go with each other as well as with the posture of figure. This is done. Now see an other figure. See, here we'll be tilting the neck as we did in the previous figure, and as well as we'll tilt the lower torso portion till hip, and according to that legs will also be balanced. Right now this is the new center line of this particular figure. Now we'll weave the figure on the center line. See, this is the head, shoulder will be perpendicular to the its center line. though it may be changed, but it looks good. Here I am changing. Now this is an example of tilting at x and y axis. See, join it to the waist and then to the hips and give the shape to head also. Neckline, now see, now this figure is little bit tilted on two axes, that means on x and y. Now I am making the leg position. In these videos, in previous 3 4 5 videos, I am not giving you the flashing tips, because flashing is same all the ways. If once you have learned to make the block, then it's not difficult for you to make a flash figure. See, because now you have got the structure of the figure, you just have to provide it the curves. So it is my request that you keep on practicing on flash figures, because in later lessons we'll be learning about the figures without block, and it will depend how practiced you have. I'm just giving the idea of hand. With the measurement you can make the hands or the arms in the proper. See, isn't it very graceful figure? Look at one more view. Here I am keeping the center line from neck to bust straight and giving curve to the center line from bust to hips, and balance to the leg. Yes, right. Now this is our new center line. Weave the figure around the center line, head. Okay, you can do one more thing. You can even use the twisted figure in this, right? It all depends which kind of figures you are looking for. I am making it simple just to make you understand. I am not mixing so many processes. See, here I have used x-axis tilt, otherwise the line was straight, but I have taken a shoulder little bit tilted, and now I am making the waistline perpendicular to its center line, and same with the hip. Give shape to the block. I hope you all are enjoying these lessons and you are practicing a lot, because without practice you cannot master this technique. Head block, simple head block I have created. See this figure, and now you can create the leg position. While creating the leg position in tilted figures, you have to keep the balance in the mind, how this figure will balance herself. Thus, bending this leg a little bit. I am making it very dark just to make you understand, but when you make the block, especially in these figures, you have to keep your pencil very light so that it can be easier to remove, because once you have flashed the figure, then you have to remove this, and when we'll be draping, then your flash figure should be very light, right? Because we'll be highlighting all the areas which are required, otherwise we'll remove all this. Just to keep it visible in video, I'm making it dark. Hand positions, and this. Wow, what a posture. See the curve? Isn't it beautiful? Now see one more figure. I am bending the figure from the hip, right? And in the opposite direction I am bending it towards the center line from the neck. This figure very good goes with the Indian attire, this particular posture, especially the lehengas. And I'm making it rough just to make you understand, because now you know the process. This is shoulder, this is bust, waist. I'm doing in the same direction, or you may take it in the different direction, in the different tilt. See, and here you may even understand how you will be making the figures once you are expert of making it without taking measurements or something. You may take these rough lines and then you may flash them. Try once. See, and this. So this is one more view of the figure. Now you may try some more, because now you know the technique. To practice, get the ideas of figures from the magazines or internet. Thanks for watching this video, friends, and in next classes we'll be meeting with some more interesting ideas and more interesting classes. Till then, bye bye.